So first what we'll do, we will create material. Okay. So how to create material? What is the T code we have? So MM01. So here we
Zero
have
one.
in the, yeah, MM01. Next we have material Mittal Industries. We will check that what we have created. Okay. So I, or else you can go Jindal Industry I have created. Then material is Jindal raw material. Okay. Select this, press enter. Okay. Enter. What happened? Yeah. So plant we will give entry KTS0. So that will, okay. See, here we have JSP1 plant, JSS1 storage location. Press enter. So then here we'll create Jindal material 1. Then we'll give unit in terms of kgs. Material group we have JMG. We'll check material group. We have material group JMG. Okay, JMG. Enter. Okay, so then press enter. Then we'll go to purchasing group. What is our purchasing group? JS1. Press enter. Then here we need to check, yeah, everything is there. Again press enter. Press enter. So here we need to give variable price. So we can give 100. Then valuation class will give 3000. Press enter. So valuation class not allowed for the material to just to go to this. So we will check. So you can select anyone for practicing session. So in real time you will get 3000 valuation class. Press enter, enter, okay, and save. Press enter. So here we have got one material. You just copy this material. So why I am creating here four materials, four vendors. So to show how we can create a PIR as well as source list. Copy this material and paste it here. Okay, then we'll create again one more material. Enter, enter. So this should be JSP1 and this is JSS1. Jindal material 2 will give JMG. Enter, then enter. Purchasing group, just give here this one. Enter, enter. Then give valuation class, give 100. Can save this material. So 10,161. So same, just paste it here. 161. Again, go to this. I will create one more, two more materials. Okay. So, or else you can do one more thing here. See here, you can copy from material. What I will do, I will just copy same. So copy from, I'm copying same material. Press enter. So this JSP1, same. This copy from same JSP1. Copy, paste, copy. Press enter. See everything it has been mentioned. So this should be material 3. Enter, enter. So no need to enter, give any values. Already we have defined. Okay, just we are copying it. Same. Okay. So 163 material. Again, I am copying. Press enter, enter. So same. You can give this one. Here you can give copy. Fourth material. This is for press enter, enter. If you want to edit anything, you can change also. So 164. What we'll do? Go here, copy same, paste. Sorry. One 164 we have created. No? Last 164. Okay. So we'll check reports here. So slash n. Oh, how to check the material report? What is the T code to check material report?
MM60.
MM60. Okay. So what we'll do, I'll just delete this and we'll give plant here. Okay. We'll give JSP1. Okay. So from, see here you can define the from material to material. From this, okay, paste and paste it here and give 4. Okay. Press enter and execute it. You will get the list of materials. So 160, 161, 163, 164. Where is 162? So later I have exit. That's why it is coming 161, 162, 164. Okay. So these are the 61, 63. Okay. So we just give 61, 63. Okay. So we have created the material. Next we'll move to vendor slash n xk01. So here the old data we have. So you can give JSWL and you can give purchase group JSPO, then account group JIVG. Press enter. So here you can give sorry. Here you can give vendor 1. Give Jindal vendor. So here you can give enter, 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 enter. So reconciliation account 31,000. This is A1. Enter. Here you can give euro. Here we have JSWL. Here also we have JSW. Press enter. Enter. Save. Save. Okay, we have vendor here. So copy this. And you can paste it here. And we can copy the vendor also. Okay, we have reference vendor. What we'll do, we'll just say company code. We have JSWL. Purchase organization JSPO. Press enter. Okay, no, we are not having any copy option here. You can give JSW vendor 2. So yeah, see, everything is there. Enter, enter, enter. See, 31,000 already defined. So we can copy like this. See here. So here everything has been defined. Same how I have copied the material and save. See, 50, 10, 11. Just to go to this, and you can paste it 50, 10, 11. Next again, same, use the same data, press enter, and you can give this, can give vendor 3, enter, enter, just press enter, enter, that's it. Okay, like this you can copy the material. Okay, so 1, 2, and same, press enter. So this should be mess and this should be vendor 4, enter. Fine. So we have created 4 materials, 4 vendors. Okay. So how to check the material list? What is the T code to check the material list? What is the T code to check
M-
the material list?
MKVZ.
Yes, good. MKVZ slash n MKVZ. See, from you can check organization. You can give check. See, all the 4 materials we have got. Okay. So now we will move to PIR. Okay. See, so before entering into this PIR, so you need to active, right? Sorry, you need to create number range. So all of you know now how to create number range. Hmm? So configuration part you will do it by yourself. Okay, fine. So what is the T code to create PIR? First of all, tell me what is PIR? What is PIR?
Purchase info record.
Purchase
Info record.
What does it mean?
combination of material and vendor.
Okay, then
Stores information on material and vendor, which is material supplying by supplier.
no, that is source list you are telling. Purchase info records. So everything I have explained you. So where it is going to
Sir,
helpful?
Vendor
sir,
correct.
it helps in PO generation, sir. PO generation.
See, yes, yes, correct. See, PIR, it is a combination of material and vendor where we are going to get the data of get the pricing data of the material supplied by the specific vendor. Okay. Okay, whatever the prices we have maintained, that is going to get. Okay, and then we are going to get the conditions of the vendor and master. Okay, so that we will see. So first what we will do, we will just go to what is the T code? What is the T code to create PIR?
M11.
Yes,
ME double one.
ME11. So see here, you need to check on standard. So vendor previously whatever you have created, that you will get it. So what we will do, we will create one by one here. We'll copy this. Okay. See, and you can paste. Then you can copy this. Sorry, copy this. You can okay. See, then press enter. So once you press enter, it is showing the reminder. Okay. First reminder 4 days, second reminder 6. This should be 10 reminders. Okay. Then press enter. Then press enter. Enter. See, PIR is mandatory. Okay. So here you need to enter the delivery date. Okay. So planet delivery date, then maximum quantity, I have made it mandatory. Okay, you can make it optional also. So maximum quantity, I will make it as 500. Okay, then net price I will maintain here 120. Okay, press enter. Okay, see here for price what I maintain 120, right? 1 minute. So we'll make one more column here. So go to table here. Check on this and make. Okay. So we make price 120 we have maintained here. Okay. Then see here I have created the PIR. See, press enter. See, press enter and S. Okay. So PIR number is this one. So you just copy this and paste the PIR. So this is the PIR number. PIR number is also mandatory, and I have maintained price 120. So next, see, we will check and we will create the PO. So what is the T code to PO slash O? I am opening in new screen. What is the PO?
21N.
T code
ME21N.
ME21N. Okay. Yeah. So we'll check. So once we define the material and vendor, okay, and you need to give the combinations of material, vendor, plant and purchase organization. Okay, so we'll wait. Yeah, now we have got. Okay, so here what we'll do, we'll give standard PO itself. Okay, here we can give vendor. Okay, here you can give vendor. We'll select this vendor, copy this. So you just give vendor. So you can give purchase organization, purchasing group, and company code. Okay, then you have to give material. Okay, see here we have material, then press enter. Okay, see once you press enter, see here one, see you need to define plant. Okay, so wait, it is loading. See here you need to define the plant is JSP1. Next you need to define the storage location also. Okay, quantity will define. See here price
Sir,
has
we
been
can,
fetched.
sir,
Yes,
sir, we
yes,
can
yes,
create
yes.
PO automatically, right, sir? Auto PO.
Auto that will come later in the special procurement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so as of now, don't think about the auto PO and all. See? So that will come under special procurement process. See, press enter. See, whatever the price we have given here, it is. See here, material, this particular material not included in the source list despite source list requirement. See, we need to define the source list also. See, source list we need to active for this particular material. So that will come, that we will get once we create source list. Okay. So you just double click this. So this is the error you are getting. Okay. So you can solve this. So you need to make it active. Okay. So this way you can create PO. See, one more thing you will get here in the conditions, you will get, see, gross price and the SKTO, gross price, cash discount and all. Okay. So you can maintain in PIR itself, that I will show you how to maintain. So for the same combination I am giving you, here I will give this PIR. Okay. Copy this and paste. Okay. Okay. You need to give ME12. Okay. Slash and ME1. So you just give the PIR number. So here you are getting conditions, right? So check on these conditions. So once you check on this here, so click on this choose. So you can define the validity also here. See here, you can define the particular material and vendor they can supply, so that what particular vendor can supply the material from this date to this date. You can define that also. And one more thing, if you change the price here, whatever the price you will give here, that will fetch when you create PO. Okay. So, and one more thing, you have condition type here. We have different types of conditions. See here, suppose if you want to give freight charge. Okay. So double click on this. If you want to give freight charge of 10%. See here, 10% I have given the freight charge and just save it. See, we have saved and we have changed the PAR. So what you can do, again, you just go to /n me21n. Again, if you try to create, so here you can give to purchasing group, company code, then you can give vendor also, and material, you give 160, right? Yeah, 160 itself. Okay, quantity I will give 100, and plant you can give, you have to give JSP1 and JSS1, press enter. So once you press enter, so don't worry about this. Okay, source list what we are getting. See, if you go to conditions now, see what are the charges we are getting. See, freight charges 120 we are getting, right? Sorry, 10%. So here it is taking here 1200 as a freight charges. So total it will take, and actual price you will get it here. Okay, 12,000. Got it, na? See, 12,200 it has been added. Freight charges. See, freight charges is nothing but extra charges. Okay, extra charges while transporting the material. Hmm? So likewise, you can do this. And one more thing, see here you are getting one error, right? So if you press enter, so you can just check it. See here you are getting purchase order item still contains faulty schedule lines. Okay, so not included in the source list. Okay, that we will do it. So how to solve this error we will see while creating source list. So before that, what I told you, we will create PIR for all these. So we'll just open this ME11, enter. So we'll enter that combination. This is vendor. Okay, this is one. Yeah, enter. So this will give 4, 6, and 10. Press enter. Planned delivery date will give 30. Maximum quantity will give same 500. And net price here I will give 140. Press enter. So condition type I am not changing anything. Okay, so that is not required as of now, and save it. Okay, so here will be 622. Okay, you just copy this and paste it, 622. So what price you have maintained? 140. Okay, only to verify I'm maintaining price also. So again, so we have done for 11 and 61. We'll go for 12 and 63. So this is 12 and 63. So here you can give 63, enter. So you can give 4, 6, and 10. Press enter. So 30 days will give. So maximum quantity will give 500. So here we'll give 160 price. Press enter. Okay, and just save it. So 623 we have. 623 we have. So 160 we have maintained. And here we have 23. Again, we'll create for 64 and 13. 64 and for 13. Press enter. 4, 6, and 10. This will give 30 days. Same. Sorry, maximum quantity will give 500 and price will maintain 180. Enter. See, suppose if you won't maintain PIR, okay, so you can give manual pricing also. Save. See, here we have created. and here we have maintained 180. Okay, so this is how we have done with this thing. Okay, PI created material, vendor, and PIR. Next, we'll move to source list. Okay, so before going to source list, what we need to do? We need to activate source list with respect to plant, right? So go to SPRO configuration. So go to SPRO configuration. Then here you have material management. So material management. Then go to purchasing. Okay. So here you will get source list. Yeah, here we have source list. So here only thing is you need to activate the source list with respect to plant. Position your plant. So plant I will give JSP1. Press enter. See, already it has been active. Save. Okay. So next, what you have to do, one more thing is important. See here, you are getting one error, right? So while creating PO, okay. So that particular material, say I will show you once again. So this is very important. So here, if you double click on this error, see here, it is showing the material not included in the source list. What you have to do, this is very important. So all of you observe here. So copy this particular material. Okay, to which material you're getting? So to this material only, right? So what you need to do, you need to go to, see, again slash and mm02 to change material. In mm02, you just paste that particular material, enter, enter, again enter. Oh, sorry, not this. Okay. So what is the plant we have given? So okay, enter. See here, you will get the source list option here. Once you enter, you need to check on the source list. Enter. So I think you will get in the purchasing field. Press enter. So in purchasing, you will get the source list button. Okay. Check on this source list button. Okay. Check on this, and I will check on this quota arrangement usage also. So here in quota arrangement, observe carefully. So I am doing the quota arrangement activate here itself because it will save the time. Okay, here what you have to do, you need to select whichever is check on all. So here I will select this fourth one. Okay, so check on this. Okay, press enter. Okay, that's it, and save. Okay, okay, we are done with that. So now we will try to create PO. Okay, so once again we'll go to slash n me21n. So for same material we'll do this. So all of you got it now how to solve that error. We'll see whether it has been solved or not. Okay, vendor we will give same vendor, and material we will give the same material. So quantity will give 100, and plant will give JSP1, storage location will give. Press enter. And now not in this display source list requirement. Why we are getting the same? Okay, we have to maintain source list, I think. Okay, so we'll do this. Okay, once we uh, s- create the source list also. Hmm? Actually, it has to be solved. Sometimes we get this. Once again, we'll check whether it has been updated or not. In the purchasing source list, it is active. Okay. So now we will see once we create the source list also. Okay. So we'll create the source list. So to create source list, what is the T code? So slash n me. What is the T code to create source list?
ME01.
ME01. Okay. See here, for particular material, you just select the material. So before creating source list, PIR should be done. Press enter. See here, validity from where to where the particular material can be supplied. So here what I will do, I will just see I am creating PIR only source list only for this material. Validity we will give from today's date to any date you can give. Okay. So from today's date, and we'll copy this. We have 4 vendors, right? Press enter. So validity period we can define up to this. So vendor will give. So which vendor will give? So particular vendor. So we have not created. Oh, we have created source list for all, right? Okay. Press enter. So purchase organization JSPO. Then again for this, we'll copy the same and vendor will select this. Then press enter. And we'll take the vendor from here. Then is the vendor 13. It's 13. And date will give and center. See, save. See, we have created the source list. Now we will try to create this. Okay. We will give /n me21n, press enter. We will give same material, same only, right? So what is the material we given? 160. Okay. Then material, give this. Quantity will give 100. Plan center. See here, now we are not getting anything because we have created the source list. See, no messages generated. Okay. So this is how you can solve the error. Okay. You just give save. See, we have created the PO. So while creating PO, we can customize this standard PO to our with respect to our company. Then we can customize this number range also. Okay. So now we will see the PR. Okay. So whatever we have created the source list, whether the PR has been, whether the data is fetching from source list or not. Okay. So what is the T code to create PR? What is the T code?
ME21N.
Okay. See, and one more thing, we have created PIR with respect to this material and vendor, this material and this vendor, right? But we are fetching the we have created the source list for this particular material to all the vendors, right? But what we need PIR for this material with respect to all vendors, right? Then only the source list the data will fetch. Okay, so that also we can do. Okay, so so if you want create PIR with respect to this material and remaining 3 vendors, so the data will not fetch. I will show you. Okay, so go to /n me51n. Okay, so then here you need to check on the source determination. Okay, click on this header. So header you should not give anything. So go to item overview. Here you need to give this material. Okay. So paste the material. Okay. So press enter. So we need to enter the plant detail JSP1. Enter. The storage location we need to give JSS1. So quantity will define. Press enter. See here. So we have given this material. Okay. So if you go to source of supply, click on this. See here, you are not getting anything, right? You are getting only one vendor, that is 50 10 10, right? Where is that? 50 10 10. Why we are getting? See, observe carefully here. Why we are getting only this vendor? We have maintained PIR for this material and this vendor. We have not maintained this material and remaining vendor. That we will do it and we will check. Okay, go to PIR again. /n ME11. So we will do it once again. So to which vendor? Next we have 11, right? So for same material. Okay. Press enter. So this should be 4, 6 and 9 will give. Press enter. Planned delivery there 30. Maximum quantity will give 500, will give 120. Enter and just save it. Okay. So no need to give conditions and all. So you just save 625 here. 6. So you just copy this, enter, paste. This is what is the pair we have got? Copy, paste. This is 625, right? Again, we'll go for one more vendor, that is 12. We'll change this to 12. Enter. Just give 2. Okay. Enter. So this will give 4, 6 and 9. Plan delivery 30 days. Maximum quantity will give 500 and price will give 140. Press enter and just save it. So we have got 626. Okay. Just copy this 26. Okay. So once again, so 3 PIRs we have created. Next we'll do it for this 13. Okay. So go to this 3, enter. So 4, 6 and 9, enter. So here we'll give 30 days, 500. So all of you are getting clarity, right? Okay. We'll give 160. 80 will give. Press enter and save. See, we have got all the PIRs for the particular material. Okay, now we will check. Okay, so source list also we have done. Okay, source list for the particular material we have given for all vendors and we have created the PIR also. Okay, so now we'll see. We'll go to /n ME51N, press enter, check on the source list, go to item overview. So here you can give the material, what material we have given. So this, sorry, copy and paste the material. Quantity will give 100. Plant will give JSP1, JSS1. Press enter. See, once you press enter, see, material doesn't exist or include. So which material we have given? 160 only, right? Material entered. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, now press enter. Material I have given. Okay, see here, choose the source of supply. See here we are getting, if you go to source of supply, see you are getting 4 source. So all of you are getting, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Whichever material you want, you just select it and click on assigned source. So select, see it has been selected. So check if you are getting error or not. See no messages found and you can save it. All of you got it now? All of you are
Yes,
getting?
sir.
Okay. So now I will show you how to block and how to fix the vendor. Okay. So to do such thing, what you have to do? What is the T code to change source list?
ME
ME?
02 02.
So sorry.
Slash NME.
See, go to slash and ME01 itself. Okay. So for source list, we are not
Yes, sir.
having to change. Okay. So enter the material and plant. Enter. See, suppose if you want to block this first vendor. Okay. 50, 10, 10 is there. Na? If you want to block this, click on this and save. Now you will see the difference. You can do the unit testing here. So go to this slash and ME51N, press enter. Okay. Then go to this, check on the source determination, give the material. So material we will give this, select this, copy to 60. It is not taking, copy and paste it here. So quantity will give 100. Okay. Then plant JSP1, JSS1, press enter. See here, we'll see whether the particular, see that vendor we are not getting. Okay, whatever we have blocked, check it and save it. So we have saved. Now again we will see. Okay, go to PI source list here. So this one we have blocked, right? I don't want to block this. I want to fix this vendor. Okay. So don't check both. Okay, check anyone. If you check both means you will get error while creating PR. So go to fix here, save. So now we'll see what output we'll get. Okay, check on the source determination. So paste the material. Then quantity will give 100. Plant, say until unless if you want give plant and the data will not fetch JSP1 because it is a combination of the data will fetch with plant and material combination, and you can give JSS1. Press enter. So once you press enter, see here you are getting the fixed vendor. So whatever the vendors you have given, so rest of the vendors will not come. Only you will get whichever has been fixed. Okay. So while procuring the material, if you want to procure the material from the specific vendor, you can fix it. Okay. So this is the way how you can create the entire master data. Okay, how to create material and how to create vendor and how to create PIR and what will be the helpful, what is the use of PIR. Okay, while creating PO, that is purchase order, and how we can solve the simple error. Okay, so while creating source list, you need to create sources for all vendors for the particular material, and you have to create PIR for all for these two combination. Then you need to test it. Okay. So all of you got it, na? So this is how we can create all the master data. Okay.